All right, hey everybody, I'm Chris.
And I'm Jen.
And we are going, well, we're not going to tell you you're going yet, but we're going to tell you who we have in the back seat. We have Jenny's parents, Dave and Kathy. Now, at this point, I was going to ask Jenny to tell you why we're going now instead of then, but Jenny's driving, so I guess I will give you the backstory. So it is September of 2021, and these two just had their like 10th anniversary yesterday, actually.
10th?
10th? It's not 10?
It's not 10, no.
20? 30? 40? 50?
Close.
51. All right. So these two celebrated their 51st anniversary yesterday, but let's go back in time a year. So last year we were out for dinner, I think it was at Christmas time, and we kind of began to tease them about going to Las Vegas. And then on the way home, Jenny and I were literally like, do they really want to go to Vegas? Because I didn't think Vegas would be their kind of place. I mean, but as it turned out, they were like, hey, let's go to Vegas. It's our 50th wedding anniversary soon. And they've never been to Vegas. This is, I'm a little bit nervous taking these two to Las Vegas. Yes, they're capable adults, but Vegas can, you know, if you've been to Vegas, you understand it's a little bit hard to handle sometimes, and I'm a little nervous. But so we were actually going to go last September, but what happened last year, Jenny? COVID. So yes, we could not take them to Vegas last year. We actually could have, but the shows and stuff weren't open, and we wanted
to get the full effect.
Yes, exactly. So we wanted to wait till this year to give these two, for their 51st anniversary, the full Vegas experience. Now, so I told this to Jenny, and I don't think she ever told her parents. So, and the requirements for her parents on this trip were Kathy, her mother, had to wear shorts and skirts that showed about this much underbun, just a little bit. And Dave, who is always dressed very nicely, groomed immaculately, couldn't shave, had to have a t-shirt with something derogatory on it, a hat on backwards, and he had to have one of these drinks around his neck all the time. And at least once, he had to scream, "This is the greatest day of my life," and vomit on a stranger. But Jenny did not relay this to her parents, so we can't do that. So yeah, and unfortunately I think Kathy, according to being a very good grandmother, is wearing grandmotherly clothing, and Dave is his usually nicely groomed self, so I don't think my requirements of Vegas are going to happen, and I know Jenny and I don't do that stuff anyway. You've seen us in Vegas before, so no big deal. But right now we're in Vernal, Utah. We took a little bit of a detour instead of going straight up I-70, but our plan is we're going to go down and go like around and then down and go down to Cedar City, Utah, stay the night, have some dinner, and get up tomorrow morning and go to Hoover Dam. So for now, we won't bore you with the details, but next time we see all of us, you see all of us, we will be at Hoover Dam, unless something cool pops up or somebody wants to talk or something like that, and then we'll pull this back up. But for now, I'm Chris.
I'm Jen.
That's
Dave.
And that's
Kathy.
And we are going to Las Vegas.
Vegas.
Yay! Bye. Okay, I had to do this real quick because I didn't mention it earlier, and I want to do this before everybody gets back out here. We're kind of on a little bit of a break. I want you to take a look at my t-shirt. It says something about how great my mother-in-law is, I think. Now, I'm not saying it's not true, but at the same time, I have another t-shirt that's similar to this one that I'll show you tomorrow. So you can tell me which one you think is more accurate. Okay, everybody. I am Chris. And oh, that's Kathy, actually.
Yes.
That's Jenny. And we are, so we're still on our trip with the in-laws, my in-laws, her parents, for their 50th/51st wedding anniversary. And our rooms won't be ready for a while, so we decided to stop by Hoover Dam. So I'm actually filming the introduction before I film so we just in the visitor center, and then, but this is our introduction. So we're going to now walk across the dam. I am afraid of heights. Kathy's afraid of heights. So this is not exactly our comfort zone. But, all right, real quick, I want to see your t-shirts together. Come on. Our wedding anniversary. And now you have it to why we're here on 51st instead of 50th because of COVID. And now here is a little bit of Hoover Dam, which I know I've done before, but you know, it's still cool.
It'll mark where it actually is the state border. Yeah, the rivers, they kind of
Still don't like
in
that.
the center of the river is the border.
Yep, we'll go see. It says Nevada time right there, and on the other towers it says Arizona time. So, how you hanging in there, dear?
All right.
Too hot for you?
Well, definitely. But
Yeah, too hot for everybody, right?
it's very hot.
Yeah. Yeah, don't want to be out here forever. So, here we go. And these are those things you can walk out on, Dave, and look over the edge.
Oh, yeah.
If you so choose. Not fun, yes, not fun.
It's cracking.
It's cracking.
All right, so let's do a quick walk across the bridge here. Oh, look, if you look down, look at all the water that's come through.
Party person now.
This is not like, if I understand my history correctly, it's just concrete. There's no steel in it except for the cooling pipes, and then they sealed the blocks together with grout. And then after they were done with the cooling pipes, they filled those up with grout. So this is just basically a concrete block. So, all right, here we go. See, here's the restrooms right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably straight down. It's so bad. There's Peggy there. All right, there's Dave and Kathy. We just actually celebrated their 51st anniversary a couple of days ago. We're a year late, but we're still doing our original trip planned for Las Vegas. And that should be very fun and very interesting. Still not tight. Oh, mother-in-law's going for it. It's not. It's a little unnerving, isn't it?
It is. You're thinking I'm standing out there and if this thing falls off, you're going a long way.
Well, you know, and it's like you're standing on top of a skyscraper, but it's a dam.
Yeah,
you are.
And like I say, you know, I've been here a long time. I don't think this piece of concrete's going to fall. So it kind of makes you think about it.
Yeah, it's a little unnerving being up here.
You're about 200 feet or 150 feet higher.
Drinking fountain.
Yeah. It goes all the way down to station.
But it's not. If you fall off, it's not straight down. You would actually scrape your way all the way down. Yeah, exactly. That would be a world record for sure.
Fancy stuff.
¿Cómo voy a pasar? Pasa como que ves. Oh. Ya te voy a pasar.
And it's concrete too.
Wow.
There's still stuff here.
Being up here makes me a little nervous, so I'm not going to be doing what Jenny and the in-laws are doing. I'm kind of hurrying across, even though I have to hurry back across, you know. But yeah, whatever. And I'm not sure where the state line is. Mother-in-law's tagging along. My dear mother-in-law, Kathy. Oh, by the way, this is the other mother-in-law shirt she bought me. So tell me which one you prefer, the greatest mother-in-law in the world or the one who won't melt when you throw water on her? Let me know. But she bought me both, so don't give me harassment about harassing my mother-in-law. She bought me both shirts.
We lost them.
We did, but I'm keeping moving. All right, and we're walking, people, and we're walking. I know I'm probably not being the greatest filmmaker. Oh, there they are. There's Jenny at least. Oh, there's Dave. Alright, here we go.
Take your time.
One more peek over the edge. Alright. We're getting across here. Let's keep going. Alright. I've gone too far ahead. Maybe I should go back a little bit. There. Finding people. So you guys want to go across, or you want to go all the way across the dam? You want to walk all the way across it?
Yeah.
That's the water side.
Dear, when you want to take pictures of that, you want to go down there?
We go all the way across and over and back down, or cross over
Whatever you guys
here?
want to do, I'm good.
Might as well just, yeah, let's go, come on.
Okay.
Let's go across all the way.
Yeah, on this side. Right.
It's not going to be shaded for much longer.
We'll walk fast on that side.
Okay, we'll walk fast on this one.
No darling. Like one day. Or if you get hot. Across the street.
And we're walking, people. Got the in-laws. Hopefully you can see them. Hopefully you can see them. Here we go. Just an observation. I don't think I have to throw water on my mother-in-law to get her to melt. I think I just have to take her outside when it's hot, and then she will melt. So, guess I'll have to get another shirt. Okay, here we go. I think we're going. Yeah, okay, here we go across the road to the water side. Yes, I am. Right there is Lake Mead. I think we're gonna have to hurry because mother-in-law is melting.
She's going to walk a little bit and then we'll go back over in the shade.
All right, that sounds good. Wait for me, Pudgy Bear.
Come on, teddy bears. Having fun?
Oh yeah, I'm having a great time. I don't think your mom's having a great time. I think we should have waited till November for this trip. Oh no, I kind of knew this. This is not exactly a cold place. Yep, that's our saving grace, is inside.
Yep.
And this is where the water goes down to generate electricity. So.
You feel all right, Mom?
You guys go ahead, I'll catch up.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna keep walking. Dave is taking pictures.
That was
I don't
fun.
blame him.
Walk across the border.
Where is the border? I thought there was a line that said one side Nevada, one side.
I thought so. Oops. You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh yeah, I think it's at the plaque. I think.
Well, we'll soon see. Let's go read the plaque. Dave taking pictures. That's cool. That's very cool. You can see how low the dam is, or the lake is right now. Not the dam. The dam's height doesn't change. So. Mother-in-law ahead of me. Wife and father-in-law way back there. We might be crossing over here in a second to get back in the shade, so we'll see. I thought there was a marker that said Arizona one side, but I'm not seeing it. Let's see. Hold on. Kathy sees something up here, so let's see.
We're crossing over?
Okay. Going back over because there's a little shade. This side is totally sunny and it's over 100 degrees outside, so let's go back over. Here we go. Go, mother-in-law, go, go, go. They have to wait for us, not the other way around. Oh, is that it? Okay, so we walked across Hoover Dam, we walked halfway across, but I think you've got the idea. So I will see you next time. Okay, good morning everybody, and I know you've seen us here before, but we are at Hoover Dam, at the Visitor Center, and where'd the girls go?
We beat them.
Where are they? Where's the elevator? Where's the elevator?
Where's the elevator go?
Oh, there they are.
There they are.
All right, here we go. Visitor Center into Hoover Dam.
There's an overlook over here too.
Yeah, there's an overlook. This tree.
Now, less than a year after Black Tuesday.
Here's the end.
Took me a few days to get used to it. Looked up and seen a 20-ton truck hanging over my head, or a skip full of men dangling up there. Just takes a little getting used to.
This is inside. Inside the cabin. Alright, let's go see if we can find the wifey and the in-laws.
Somebody never done a lick of manual labor before, especially not in this kind of heat.
Okay, that's enough for now. Okay, for some unknown reason, the GoPro crapped out, so we're gonna go outside and I'll film there, and this will be after that, but just want to show you the view from inside the visitor center of the Hoover Dam. Not fair for the hides, not for the hides. Hello there, wifey. What? You taking a picture of me while I'm taking a video of you? It's up there. Yeah, sorry sorry about the abbreviated view of the visitor center, but I didn't think you guys would want to take me a long time going walking around and reading all the plaques. So I kind of went quick. But you're going to see the outside, then you'll see this. So this is actually part 2. No. Yes. We're filming it first, but part 2. Okay. So what do you think, in-laws?
Really
Pretty cool?
Yeah. Little drop off here.
Yeah, no, this is not. That's a minute down there for sure.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Just make it. Hey guys, want to go up?
All right. We can keep going up?
Yeah, there's an observation.
Oh, we'll keep going up. Hold on a second. Okay, we found the stairs, the observation deck.
So apparently the only gift
we're
shop
walking,
is
people, and we're walking. Where are we at? Oh, more stairs. Oh, here we go. Go up there, I guess. Ooh, we're going outside now. That's cool. Here we go, outside. It is over 100 degrees today, and it's just after September 1st, like 7th or something. So here we go.
It has been said that in the shadow
Hold on a
of
second. Polarizer.
achieve anything if we can but summon the will. Thank you for coming and seeing one of the 10 most honored construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you wish. The next
I'm not sure if I
presentation
mentioned
is
it.
located across the
I'm not real
street
fond of
at the
heights.
flagpole.
So, it's not exactly my favorite thing to do. Let's see.
Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world-famous
You will not
Hoover
catch
Dam.
me on that bridge for any reason.
From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view
Okay.
of Lake Mead.
Unless something
the
pops
dam,
up. The next time you'll see us is the introduction. And then, well, actually, the first time you'll see us is the introduction. And then you'll see this, even though I filmed this first. So just go with it.
As you